Residents and the police have been scouring sections of the parish for days now, 1 week after bus operator Dorrell Miller, 24, and 19-year-old Matthew Evans went missing. Kelisha Williams has the story.
From Friday, I haven't eaten any food. Can't eat, can't sleep.
Patricia Braithwaite reflects on the sorrows of the past week as she tries to cope without her 19-year-old son, Matthew Evans. Matthew was last seen on November 19 at his home in Passage Fort, St. Catherine.
I saw one of his friends, which is Darrell, and I said to him, say, hi, how are you? And him said, everything is okay. Same time I see Matthew walk past me, and his brother said, where are you going? And he said, just going around the corner to come back. His brother said, I have some business to take care of today. And he said, I won't be for long.
But since then, he has not returned home. And his friend, 24-year-old Dorrell Miller, who went to visit Matthew, is also missing. And according to their relatives, it appears their phones have been switched off. Also, the Nissan AD station wagon with the license plate CL9237 that Matthew drove from his house cannot be found.
It is unusual for him not to answer, and it is unusual for him not to contact with his girlfriend.
Honestly, this is unlike Matthew. If Matthew don't answer nobody else, Matthew answer me. You see, no matter what.
One thing about him though, his mother, if he don't answer his brother or me, he will answer his mother. You know, him nasty out.
As they search for answers, still no sign of what happened to the young men. Residents and the police have since been scouring sections of the Dyke Road in Portmore, St. Catherine for clues. And Dorrell's father, Glenroy Miller, said he has been searching hospitals and police lockups across the corporate area and St. Catherine.
If by chance, they may have come running foul of the law or anything, or they met in an accident, anything, and we have not gotten anywhere where we weren't successful in that.
In the meantime, the incident has brought the bus operators in St. Catherine together. Both Matthew and Dorrell are their colleagues.
The mode is sad, dark. It's a dark moment.
Because trying to work, can't work. Just constantly in our head. We need to see a friend. We want to see a friend.
With the rise in crime and violence island-wide, some residents say they're fearing the worst.
If we take him life, at least give the family and friends closure that we can move on with our lives.
But the families remain hopeful. They're appealing to anyone with information to report the matter to the nearest police station or call 876-890-6792 or 376-8951. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.